Hi, how to learn English fast. Learning English quickly requires many things. Focus, consistency, and smart techniques. Here are top 5 strategies that I personally think are the best to learn English very fast. Number 1. Immerse yourself in English daily. Immerse. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English TV shows. Listen to podcasts. Nowadays we have YouTube. Thanks to YouTube, millions of podcasts are free, there for you. Read articles. Read books that you love, that you are interested in. Choose materials that match your level, but still challenge you. For example, if you enjoy cooking, watch recipe videos in English. Immersion helps you observe vocabulary and sentence structures naturally. It's like a child learning their first language. How? You just listen, and everywhere you hear your mother tongue. For 2 years, almost 2 years. So do like a child. Just immerse yourself into this environment. Number 2, focus on speaking first. Speaking is often the fastest way to build fluency. You know fluency? Don't wait until your grammar or vocabulary is perfect. Start speaking right away. Practice with native speakers. If not, go and find a partner. And they are everywhere and free. Use apps like Hello Talk or Tandem, or join language exchange groups. If you don't have someone to practice with, talk to yourself. Be crazy and talk to yourself. Use the mirror method I told you in this lesson. Or use voice recognition tools to check your pronunciation. And they are everywhere. Just use ChatGPT. Thanks to ChatGPT. Number 3, learn core vocabulary and phrases. Instead of trying to memorize vocabulary, memorize every word, focus on high frequency words and useful phrases. For example, prioritize words used in daily conversations, in a daily basis, like greetings, questions, common verbs, etc. Apps like Anki or Quizlet can help you practice and retain these essentials. Number 4, use the theory of Pareto, or Pareto's theory, 80-20 rule. And this is used in almost everywhere. Don't get stuck learning complicated grammar rules. So go and focus on the basics that cover most communication needs only. For example, mastering present, past, and future tense will allow you to convey most ideas effectively. Use resources like YouTube, thanks to YouTube, quick grammar guides to simplify learning. 5, practice active listening. Listen actively by focus on how words are pronounced, the rhythm of sentences, and common expressions. Instead of passively hearing, repeat what you hear. Use your muscles. Mimic the tone and write down new phrases. Use your sentences. More senses you use, more you remember. Go and use BBC Learning English or ASL podcasts. So these are excellent resources to train your ears and improve comprehension. By applying these strategies consistently, you will see faster results in your English learning journey. So stay committed and remember, progress comes with practice. Thank you for listening. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, write positive comments, maybe subscribe if you like. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.